Welcome students. Today we are going to start our next topic of chapter number 15. That topic is managing the garbage we produce. So students, all of you know garbage means that is a sorry, that is a total waste material produced by us, by the all of the human beings which are present on the earth, all right, by the so many activities. For example, in the kitchen we daily bringing fruits, vegetables from the market, from we are bringing so many things in the packed form, okay, and after taking out the useful part from those, all of the polythene which are used for the packing, all of the paper material which is used for the packing, all of those things we throw into the dustbin. And what does all of those forms? Those forms the garbage. And in the same way, if we are using vegetable, we are eating fruits and so many so many parts, by removing its outer waste side, by removing its cover, by removing its outer peel side, all of these things again we throw into the dustbin, and ultimately all of those also forms garbage. And if we are bringing toys of our children at our home, again the packing material which is used for that toy, all of those things forms garbage. What does means that all of the things which are using for the daily needs at our home, for the kitchen also, for the toy also, for the even that our other necessities also, for the clothes for packing, for the shoe packing, okay, for the other product packing also, and all of these things we throw into the dustbin, and all of those forms the garbage. That is the problem. And all we know, in our country so many number of heap means at the large scale, heaps of garbage means dump, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ dump of garbage are present. All right, so now here are 2 points we have to discuss. First one, what are the causes, all right, for which garbage is more producing, and second, what are its remedies, means that how we can reduce garbage. These 2 points we will discuss here. So first one, its causes. Yes, as I explained to you earlier also, there are changes in our lifestyle. That is the main cause of the production of the lifestyle. We are saying our lifestyle is improved, but on the side by side, so many number of problems like pollution, depletion of ozone layer, global warming, and one of them is also production of garbage. Those problems are increased, okay, because our attitude has changed. For example, we goes to the restaurant for the eating the things, and here we takes a bottle of a cold drink, okay. After using the cold drink, that bottle will be go into the dustbin, all right. Then at the point number 2, there we will take a disposable cups or glasses, okay, for the drink purpose, and then the disposable plates for the eating purpose, and all of the things after using we will throw into the dustbin. So all of these things are causing major problem, which are causing more cause of the production of the garbage, means that change. And second point, it was the about disposable thing, one cause. Second cause is changes in packing. As I explained to you earlier also, so many for the packing of anything, so many number of things are used. There is a use of paper also, there is a use of polythene sheets also, and at the last we put that all of the things into one polythene bag, and after coming to the house, all of the things we throw into the dustbin. Again, these causes the garbage. One is the disposable things, and second is the packing, all right. So all of we know, mostly polythene which we use for the packing purpose, that is a non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means it never degrades into the environment. It remains into the environment for the so many number of million of years, and all of these things are putting very harmful effect on our environment. So basically these are the major 2 causes. Now here we can say that, now what are the solutions? And the solution we can remain can say very positive to it. We can decrease the use of the disposable, okay, in the restaurant, and we can use the reduce the packing things, packing material, whatever we use, okay. And even that we when we goes to the market for the fruits, for the vegetable, for even that for any shopping, we can go with the market with our jute bag, not with the polythene bag. Why we take a polythene bag from the outside? If we will take our next polythene, not sorry polythene, our jute bag with us for the shopping, then there will be a reduction of the polythene bag, okay. There is a students one point given, think it over. Disposable cups in train. Here is explained one example. Sometimes back in the trains there was use of cool heads. Cool heads means these were the disposable cups which was made from the clay. Clay is a soil type which was used prepared from the clay. But now what happened? After so many years, it was observed that if we are preparing cool heads from the clay soil, then the top layer of the soil, it will lost the fertility, sorry, okay. So then again what happened? Again use of the disposable start. And if generally we observe in the train, we mostly use the disposable cups or disposable paper or disposable parts. So again it is a cause which is increasing the disposable things, okay. So students, with this our chapter number 15 is complete. And in this chapter basically we has recovered about the just general major problems like global warming, like pollution, ozone depletion, and at the last managing of the garbage. And in the next class we will generally discuss about its activities. So all of the activities and all of the NCERT question answer, even those are given in between or at the last, you have to write down on your notebooks. Thank you students.